Hi dolls, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today, that was a long pause, but didn't mean to, couldn't think of what I was going to say. Today I have filmed a very easy, very simple eye makeup look, and with a little bit of a base thrown in there. It's going to be a voiceover because it's my first time filming in a long time and I'm a little bit nervous, but nervy bee if you will. So I wanted to listen to some music, so you'll have to listen to my kind of like somewhat depressive voice when I'm doing the voiceover, because there is no way I can make it sound happy every time I film it. I filmed it 6 times the other day, about a year ago, because that's the last time I filmed, but I'll try my absolute hardest to make it a little bit fun. But yes, I went on a tangent there. If you enjoyed, if you like what you see and you want to see how to get it, then please keep watching. Bye dolls. So I started off with the P. Louise base, and bearing in mind I put this on about an hour ago because it took me a long while to psych myself up. That's why it's a little bit creased, but it's never normally like that, I promise. So I started off by putting the coral base, no I'm lying, the coral shade by Melchior, and just kind of putting that all over, a wash over the lid if you will, bit in the crease, and then to blend that out I'm using Coral Fusion by Melchior. Big fan of Melchior shadows, very pigmented, very lovely, very blendable, trying to be a guru, saying all the aesthetic words, aesthetically pleasing. This is not going well, but I'm going to carry on with it. I'm just blending it out, and then I'm going to go back in with Coral by Melchior again, and just kind of deepening it up a little bit, just to prepare me for my darker shades. I'm then using the Morphe 350M palette. They don't have shades, but I was kind enough to point it out to you, so it's like a reddy colour. I'm just going to deepen that up. Bearing in mind this is a very basic eyeshadow look. I just didn't know what to film at the time, so give me a couple of red shades and I'm your gal. And then I'm putting Volcano by Melchior all over the lid. At this point I'm winging it, totally winging it. I filmed this about 3 weeks ago. I've got basically white pink hair since then, but yeah, links in the bio to my video for that. I'm now taking the Empire State of Mind by Colourpop and using just like a pink iridescent-y shade, and then the Pretty Easy eyeliner by Clinique. As you can see, the brush has gone a bit funny because I don't close things mindfully, and it's bent it, which you will find in a minute and you will see has annoyingly ruined the liner. Do I try and fix it? No. Do I carry on with it? Yes. I'm winging it per se, pardon the pun. Can you see it? Yeah, a bit annoying. So yeah, I'm just kind of doing a little bit of a liner there, enjoying my little life. Don't really know what to say right now. Not much to say. Oh, I did fix it slightly. I then put on some cheap lashes from Amazon, which actually are my favourites. Then I'll link it in the bio. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. Then I made a little spritz, which I'll explain later. I'm using the Studio Fix by MAC, mixing C5 and NC25, because I'm a bit tanned, as you can see, using a little Real Technique sponge. Never use it all over my face, but this time I decided to try it, and I can confirm that since 3 weeks ago I have not gone back. So, you know, what does that tell you? I should try old tricks again, basically. So whilst I'm like patting that in, I'll just explain the spritz. So I bought a little Prep and Prime spray from Primark, £2, and then I bought a bronzer pigment for £2. Put it into there, made my own DIY. Pretty proud of it. Didn't want to have to spend that much from MAC or Iconic. Anyway, I'm then using the Conceal and Define concealer. It's either C5 or C10, I don't really remember because it was so long ago, please forgive me. And just blending that in. Probably C5 because it's looking quite bright. Blending that all over. Cute. Letting it dry. Then I'm taking the Dior 020 powder underneath my eyes, I think, and just patting that in to set. And then I'm taking a Perfectionist Powder 03 by Estee Lauder. It's basically like a highlighting powder, but I just wanted to be like glowy all over. I'm then taking the Bourjois chocolate bronzer, that's what I call it, I don't know if that's what it's called, and I'm putting that on as my base because I like a matte bronzer at first, and then I go in with the Guerlain terracotta bronzer because I love a shimmer. People always say, you know, try and boycott the shimmer bronzers. I say no, let's bring it back. I'm enjoying it. Then realised I had a spot on my jaw at that point, but you know, we were too far gone. I couldn't fix it in time. So if you see that from now on, I don't know, I can't apologise for it because it's my skin. I'm then going in with the BH Cosmetics blusher, pointed to it so that you'll know, because it doesn't have shades either. Oh, one of my favourite products. It's the Shine Bright by Doll Beauty. I gave you a little swatch there. How gorge. And I'm popping that onto my skin. Not using my usual highlighting brush, which looking back on this surprises me. I'm actually using my setting powder for underneath my eyes brush, so I don't know what came over me. If you can see my wonky nose, it's something I've realised since highlighting noses is a thing, is that my nose is awfully wonky. Realised I'd put a little bit too much on, made me look like I had a Sula, a sweaty upper lip for those that don't know. I'm now putting on the shade Morocco under my eyes by Makeup Geek. I haven't used this shade for years. I probably don't actually remember if I've ever used it before. And then Lash Sensational by Maybelline for my lower lashes. I did put that on my top lashes as well, but you know, I was pretty poor at this, so didn't film that. I've also got an annoying bit of red shadow on my forehead that's just come, and I've set it in place, which is never ideal. I'm pouting, which is annoying. Oh, just noticed it. Good gal, good gal. Oh, found this little lip liner the other day. It's Essence. It's called In the Nude. Thoroughly enjoy it. I remember buying this from Wilko's for about £1 back in the day. It's probably gone off, but don't judge me. Love it. Used it ever since. Used that as a little base. And then I got the lip gloss, NARS, in the shade Orgasm, oi oi, and put that all over. And again, this was like a video of new things for me. I don't normally like a glossy lip. Ever since I have worn a glossy lip, I just think it looks ravishing. Gives a little something different to the skin. Anyway, back to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it wasn't too long. I wanted it to be quite a short-ish video for you. But yes, if you liked the video, then please like, comment and subscribe. The trio, what's it? The double threat, if you will. So yeah, if you'll do that for me, I'm clapping, I don't know why. I'm nervous, it's been a while. I know I'm going to look at all this footage and be like, don't bother, but I will. Even if it's blurry. It could be blurry for 4 hours and I'd still put it up because I've done something. So yeah, we'll see. Bye dolls. P.S. looking back on footage and there's stuff all behind me, so if you'd ignore that, I'm just filming on a wall. My room is the size of me, so yeah. Thanks for putting up with it. I wouldn't come back. But yeah, cool. Bye. I had to film that really awkward, like slow-mo. Look at the face I've created. This is why I don't wear gloss, because it gets all in your mouth. But yes, enjoy my face close up to the camera. It probably isn't even that close. I'm sitting this far away from the camera, and that is how well my camera skills are. But yeah. If only my shoulder was out. I'd hit it with the shoulder at this point, to be honest. But I'm wearing a top, so you probably can't see the top because you're so... I'm just going to stop. Bye!